I want to show you guys my favorite summer spring project. So we're taking this fishing shed with a simple pegboard and look what we're going to do with it. Organization at its finest, every woman's dream. Now, we went ahead and purchased the pegboard accessories. It's got 286 pieces. It is an organizer kit. It's a must-have if you have a pegboard. This is going to include various tools. It's the 1/8 and 1/4 inch pegboard hooks. It's assortment for hanging any kind of storage that you need. As you can tell here, it's got a little bit of everything, but I mean, it's going to hold whatever we needed. It's got the things for the tools, it's got the long ones, it's got the little plastic containers that can hold the odds and ends that can't hook. And look at this, we can even hang up our fishing lures just by simply placing the hook on top of the J hooks. How amazing is that? This is literally every fisherman's dream. Highly recommend. This is the perfect gift idea for the fisherman in your life. Great for Father's Day coming up. I mean, hello, look how perfect and easy this is. No more tangling messes in the tackle box. Simple, easy to use, and you can change it up. You can move it around however you need.